Honorable Robert Centenary yashobora ngo abakwenda kwesimba babaso butahandikwa abo kugira ngo babire binji kandi ebiro byo kwehanditsa biriyo nibihwayo obwene byakaramagezi nabyo nibyekura.
I think I would like to advise the Electoral Commission. The moment you embrace a system, you must be able to sustain it. A number of people have tried to verify their supporters using the NIN numbers on the national IDs. They are not forthcoming, including my very own. And yet, I have been in this business for a very long time, both as a voter and as a candidate.
So Mate, chairperson w'ekibiina kya People's Front for Freedom omu Kasese, yashobora habwire batireho kwehanditsa na okuhamibwa ngo ne buke.
But it's unfortunate that the way I look at the speed of the team of the Electoral Commission here is not in position to accomplish this exercise as required. The period that has been set from Monday to Friday for both verification and nomination of candidates is not sufficient enough. The time of the Electoral Commission, the number is small.
Mate ayongera agira ngo Kasese district impango kandi obwire ne buke akobe namba ya bakansila ne yongera obwo batezi bakaruru barinzira abantu babo kwehanditsa.
The voters are also waiting to have their candidates nominated. It will be therefore very disappointing if these people are not nominated because of the period. This period that has been set from Monday to Friday is not sufficient enough.
Icho kiriaho Honorable Lucy Kacho akwenda kwesimba omuhoja Town Council hamwe na Bwambale Enoch abamazire kwehanditsa no kuhamibwa ekintu kyo bagamba.
Yitu enkamuhoja Town Council tubaire tuina gaps nyingi. Muno omubakyara bayusi abagurusi mfakati tugambe mu sectors zona buli kimu kyono bokakamuhoja Town Council engudo tuine engudo mostly bokaka sides bwena nule ward okwe engudo zikafera kimu.
So this is our role, make sure every worker, whether you a sweeper, whether you a cleaner, whether which type of the work you're doing, but so long as whatever you're working, you're being paid, we are here to be your voice, because we must make sure you benefit your sanity. You have your benefits and you enjoy them.
Hito aza kushohoreza makuraga chairperson wa district ya Kasese Faz Muhindi yabatake handikise makuraga gashakwa alinitwe Godwin Bwambale omuri Kasese.